Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
The Zen Event is your secret weapon for peaceful progression in Grow a Garden, offering a unique opportunity to enhance your plot. This special occurrence, now refined for 2025, provides invaluable resources and a calming boost to your garden's overall energy. You will find improved reward scaling, making it more impactful than ever before. It also introduces exciting new chances for rare seeds. To activate a Zen Event, aim to keep your garden's happiness above 80% for at least 2 full in-game cycles. This consistent care is a key to success. Another method involves using a special Serenity Orb item, often found in your daily reward chests, which provides an instant trigger. Remember, a Zen Event can only occur once every 3 in-game days, so strategize your timing for maximum impact and enjoy the calm. To truly maximize your Zen rewards, ensure you have 5 active peaceful critters in your garden when the event starts. This grants you significant bonuses in rare seeds and experience points. Furthermore, your overall garden level and the total count of rare plants directly influence your coin and gem payouts, so grow wisely. A crucial tip is to always clear all weeds and pests before triggering, as this ensures optimal reward multipliers. For advanced players, combining a Zen Event with a Harvest Festival boost is incredibly powerful. This synergy effectively doubles your experience gains, accelerating your garden's progress. Also, consider saving your growth elixirs to use specifically on any newly acquired rare plants during a Zen Event's duration. Another smart tactic involves strategically planting high-value crops just before triggering, allowing you to instantly collect their Zen-boosted yield for maximum profit. Be mindful not to trigger a Zen Event immediately after a prolonged low happiness period, as this will significantly reduce your potential rewards. Always take a moment to verify your peaceful critter count and ensure your garden is perfectly clean before initiating the event for optimal outcomes. Remember these simple strategies, and the updated 2025 Zen Event will be your most valuable tool for cultivating a truly thriving and peaceful garden.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.